Hi there everyone, welcome to Paw Painting with Ron. I hope you've been really well since the last time we saw each other. Well, it has been quite a while, hasn't it? And I suppose you've been wondering if I'm still doing videos or painting or even if I'm still alive. I'm very much alive and I'm very much doing painting still. It's just I've been doing a lot of paintings that I've already done before, videos of before, so it hasn't really been worthwhile doing a new video just repeating some of the stuff I've done before. But rest assured, I do have a few ideas in mind and a new video will be coming soon. But I thought I'd just pop on today just to give you a little bit of an update about what's been happening. Well, lots has been happening. If you visited my Etsy store recently, you might have seen that I've added some new products. I've started putting my designs onto merchandise of various kinds, which has been really exciting. And today I just got my first sample of one of my products, and that is a coffee mug. So I think it turned out really well. So I'll just bring it in closer to the camera so you can see. Hopefully you can see that. So the design goes all the way around the mug. It's nice and shiny and very blingy, very bright. I think it turned out super well. And I'm now selling these in my Etsy store. I'm sure all paw painters out there might like one for their coffee while they're busy doing some painting. Maybe it will inspire some of you to do painting. But I think it's really beautiful. So far I've got 27 different designs in my Etsy store, and I'll put a link in the description below in case you'd like to visit and have a look. I've also got an interesting range of personalised iPhone cases featuring my designs, and you can include your name as well written on the case if you'd like your name there. So they're available in the store now. I'm still waiting to get a sample one just so I can show you in real life, but if they're anything like these mugs, they'll be really nice. They're available for all iPhone models from iPhone 7 all the way through the latest release, and I have about 17 designs available. I'm planning more merchandise to come down the track, but I've made a start. So let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. But as I said, I do have some more paintings planned. I haven't done swipes for a while, so I thought I will do some swipes using some lovely metallics. So that's coming soon. And there's been a new technique to make flowers that I've been playing with. Not like the last flowers one I've done. It's a little bit different. So I'm sure you'll see that video soon as well. So just as I said, just a short video today just to keep you up to date with what's been happening, let you know I'm still alive and around and still kicking. I look forward hopefully to see you soon with a brand new painting. So have a great week ahead and happy painting.